New toy ni Ivan. Paharap mo dito.
Lunis pa yan.
I want Papa to inside there.
Pataas mo.
Tita, look.
500 pesos. Nanood kami kagabi. Eh, sana magagarap.
Tita, this is my new toy. Papa buy it for me.
What?
Papa buy it to me.
Papa buy it for you? Say arigato, Papa.
Papa, what charger?
Go.
And Lizzie?
Go, drive na. Ha?
Ano muna,